Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable safe mode in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this icon, and here you can see power off option. Then you have to touch and hold on the power off icon. Then tap on safe mode option. Now the phone will take restart to enable safe mode. So just give it a moment, and the restart is complete. Now just unlock your phone. And that's it. You can see in my phone safe mode is enabled successfully. Now if you want to disable safe mode, just swipe down, then tap on tap here to turn off safe mode. Then tap on turn off. Now the phone will take restart again to disable safe mode. So just give it a moment. And the restart is complete. You can see in my phone safe mode has been disabled successfully. Now just swipe from top to bottom and then look for flight mode option. Then you have to disable flight mode from here, and it's turned off successfully. And that is how you can enable or disable safe mode in your Samsung Galaxy A06 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.